Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create fundraiser in Facebook. So here I'm already on Facebook, and to easily start a fundraiser here, you can go to the live panel in here, and then when you click on see more, scroll down, you'll see a fundraiser. So just tap on this option. Okay, so here I'm already on the fundraisers page on Facebook, and if you are for a certain country that Facebook allowed to create a fundraiser, there will be this raise money options button in here, but fortunately my country doesn't support that yet. So here you can see who can create fundraiser. So only people from certain countries can create fundraiser on Facebook at this time. So if you want to see that's your country including in the list, you can click on the see full article. So after that, if you are on the country that list, you can just click on the raise money and then choose the kind of charity, and then you can start to create the fundraiser. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.